What if I told you that one selfie, just one photo, could turn into a full-blown cinematic video in seconds? No fancy camera, no green screen, no film crew, just one AI app doing all the magic behind the scenes. This is Higgsfield AI, and it's honestly blowing my mind. It brings your images to life like you're directing your own Netflix show. Let me show you exactly what it can do. Crash zoom, in need to add some serious drama? Crash zoom in pulls the camera straight into the action. It's fast, intense, and full of tension, just like something out of a Tarantino movie. When you want people to feel something instantly, this is your move. Disintegration. Okay, this one is crazy. Disintegration literally breaks your subject apart, like they're dissolving into thin air. Think Avengers Snap. But no VFX skills required. It's weirdly beautiful and super clean. Ever wanted all the attention on just your eyes? Eyes in slowly zooms in and isolates that intense stare. It's dramatic, personal, and full of emotion. Perfect for those deep moments when you want to say a lot without saying a word. FPV Drone. Now this one? It feels like flying. FPV Drone gives you those insane drone-style shots. Swooping, diving, gliding. You'll swear it was filmed with real aerial gear, but nope. It's all AI. And it looks incredible. Handheld. Sometimes the raw look says more than polished shots. Handheld adds just the right amount of camera shake to make your video feel real and alive, like you're right there in the moment. It's gritty, it's emotional, and it pulls you in. Crane up, and for the big reveal, Crane Up slowly lifts the camera like it's a final scene in a music video. It opens up the space, gives perspective, and adds that epic touch. It feels like the moment everything comes together. Look, this isn't some far-off future tech. Higgsfield AI is happening right now. It's changing the game. For creators, storytellers, and honestly anyone with a phone and a spark of imagination, if that blew your mind even a little, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more wild AI tools like this, you know what to do. Subscribe. Let's turn your phone into a movie studio.